Buffy, and Abby studying my video grade for bad acting, as they call it. Peggy, a police officer, who is kind of like mental, because I'm wearing this because I feel like Maggie, because she's on the stakeout, and like this is where she's going to wear it because she needs to look mad. So let's begin. Hold yourself together, Phil. So stop worrying. It's not all about you, you know. Yeah. It was something I'm born to do out there. I'm a copper, Phil. You married a copper. You do. You knew what you were getting yourself into when you married me. You knew. I always wanted to be a copper, you know. Just like my father. Well, yeah. I know, well, just like his father before him. No! It's too shameful. It's too shameful to say. He makes parachutes for Shrewsbury Diving Club. You know, where they, jump out of the, airplane and pull on the leads and well, he wanted to be a cop back in the day, you know. Yeah, he did. All that. Well, I'm good. Dangerously good. Ooh! Got a little vape there for my viewers. Let's see what they say. My next review coming. They said, I'm really good. And I'm really on point. Well, if I'm in danger, I can just shoot all that bastards. Ooh, I'm really getting good at aviation. And plus, look at this. Look at this. Plus, the pension is good. So, you'll be fine. God, I love you to bits, baby. God, I love you. And you get look at this. It says, you get a large something if anything happens to me. And it's top reach pension. One of the best in the station. What? You don't have a man cave, do you? Oh, lovely. They just texted saying I'm on a stakeout tonight. This is why I'm like this, love, for the drug dealers in Broadway. It's very exciting. It's very dangerous. Oh, that's what they're saying. It's really going to be good. Get this. It's possible that someone could die tonight. Oh, I could die. Possibly. Someone could be dying. Oh, they just send you more information. It's called a rat gang. My little gang who sell drugs to kids. I hate that. That's why I'm good on point, That's why I'm really a good copper. To protect and save. So yeah, I'm going out there. What? You are making my favourite tea tonight. Fish fingers and peas. Oh, I don't want to go to work now. Phil. Oh, you can do anything you want, love. I just love you. But I'll serve you well. Goodbye, love.